Today, we're going to turn this regular old Bic lighter into a post-apocalyptic self-sterilizing button-pressing device. So I came across this article that suggests that this new virus floating around can survive on plastic and metal surfaces for up to 3 full days. This makes things like public pin pads and elevator buttons a dangerous place for the virus to potentially stick around. Luckily, there's an easy hack. All you need is a regular lighter, a paper clip, and a rubber band. Don't worry if you don't have a paperclip, you can use any metal wire lying around, even a piece of coat hanger should do the trick. First, I'm flattening out the paperclip into a straight wire. Make your bend slowly and carefully because paperclips can break easily from metal fatigue. Next, I'm wrapping the paperclip around the lighter in a couple of loops so that it can hold on to the body of the lighter. To make our button presser, I'm bending the remaining wire 90 degrees and then into an arc shape around the lighter's flame nozzle. I tucked in the excess remaining wire into the loops to make the fit a little more snug when placing it back on the lighter. Reposition and tighten the paperclip over the nozzle valve to make sure that the flame fully engulfs it. Lastly, secure the button presser in place by wrapping the rubber band around it multiple times. And that's all there is to it. We are now ready to take on this invisible enemy. Here's a quick and dirtier version that only takes a minute to make. Just do a single bend in your wire, stick it on the lighter, and then use any tape that you have on hand. And that's it. Share this video with someone who you think could use it in this strange time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, stay positive out there. Be safe, and also maybe don't use your new button presser at the gas station.